ये वो भी है। वो था कि absent. Here was directed to present the next series. Appeal is directed to the present without failing next series. And if found absent, the case will be decided to clear absence. Next series. दोनों सेम is fine. PWD बहुजिला का है
Question number 3, PSC number 3, 2023. Applicant state constituted versus PI from Executive Engineer Department of Geography. Division 0. Word balance.
हो गया क्या बच्चे इसमें रिजल्ट पेपर लीजिए पेपर लेने नहीं आया लेकिन यहाँ तो डिस्पोज करने के लिए एप्लीकेशन दिया हुआ है नीचे का हाँ
ठीक है बात भी हुआ है हो जाएगा PIO आ रहा है ना नहीं आ रहा है बोला तो उसका मालूम नहीं बात उसकी नहीं हुआ है उसको डिस्कस करता हूँ
पेपर narrow is present then is absent but there's send an application requesting to dispose the case. The request is accepted. The appeal case number is spoke and closed. हम चर्चा हाँ हाँ ये बोलना था
Serial number 4, application number 255, Elephant, Applicant State County Limited, versus PI from Executive Engineer, Department Institute of Division, Bonfla, District Red, Transfer from
both the parties are absent. However, appellant has sent a request letter to dispose the case. Request accepted. Appeal case number is disposed.
serial number 5, the PIC number 271, Section 3, Vijay Party Print, Parling, versus PI from Executive Engineer. So, PIO comes AC, basic district, no.
side.
What do you think of us is English? Yeah, it's your one.
Jeju, Jeju. Where's PIO? जेजू का PIO है? हिमांशु, जेजू का PIO है? हाँ? This in your tradition, there is edition given by the PIO. The said information document so falls under the purview of exempted category under Section 8(1)(j) of the RTI. So, what is your say?
I don't know. Even the PIO has given me a reply mentioning that it's not good. Section 1. As for the RTI, it is very incorrect to say, don't try to deny that, because the information which I saw for the ST and PRC of Deputy CM of Arunachal Pradesh, Mr. Chanaman is holding a public office, not a private. So, there is a major public interest in obtaining or issuing or policing the ST and PRC of Deputy CM of Arunachal Pradesh. So, I request your Honor to give an interview for his and in addition to that, that's what RTI it also says that whatever the information can be sought by the Parliament of India or discussed by the Parliament of India or the state legislative assembly, it cannot be denied to the public. So this is what I would like to.
You are a very senior and known person, activist. Yes. So you must be knowing that very well about this section.
Yes, sir.
And you must be aware of the section 11. That is the third party. And you have not given any reason for not being providing this information because this is totally a personal information. And maybe he is a representative of the people, okay, but as a person, he is an individual. He is what the document you are seeking is an individualist document. And grounds of appeal you have just written as unsatisfactory reply. I want to just basically just want to know that what is your purpose of seeking this information for larger public interest.
Sir, the main reason for seeking this information is the ST of the Deputy CM of Arunachal Pradesh. First of all, it is in the public library. And FT certificate, as you know, sir, that the ST certificates are issued by the government of India and so the government of Arunachal Pradesh to the indigenous tribe of KP. So there's a element of that from reliable sources that this tournament might have obtained the ST certificate indicated. So therefore, any citizen of India has got the RTA in 2005. So it may though your court may consider it as a personal information. So I cannot agree with your honor that the Deputy CM is a distinct question. So therefore,
for the RTA, the owner must grant the permission to obtain it in a larger public interest. I'm not in enmity with that. Maybe any other.
Yes, you have the right to seek information. There's no doubt.
Sure, and about
But there are so many Supreme Court rulings are there.
so I've also heard like there's Supreme Court and High Court also. So
Do you have any specific ruling that says that personal information support specifically? Because there are so many rulings which are of different facts of the case. Depends upon the facts of the case also. So especially if there is any ruling regarding the ST or PRC or anything related, or suppose there are a minority SC is there, so we belong to ST. Is there any specific ruling from the Supreme Court or at least from the High Courts that such documents are not exempted? Such documents are can be provided. If there is any specific rulings, then I can see to it. But since you have come personally also, and I have seen your RTA form also, that appeal case. There also you have just mentioned that unsatisfactory reply. So if you have any uh, recent case rulings which states that these documents are not exempted, then I can see to it. Otherwise, uh, there's no doubt that this information is purely uh, personal. Yeah. We have section
6.2. In addition to that, they said his autonomy is holding the post of DCM.
maybe
In what of that different way.
maybe he's holding the force of this
They
year.
have the right to know whether you know it is still really or a genuine authentic way.
Maybe he's holding the post. It doesn't mean that his personal documents or personal certificates should be disclosed to someone else. You see, suppose you are holding here, PIOs are here. Someone is security manager, someone is ABC, maybe CEO. He is a public. They are holding the post as a public authority. But since you are holding the post of public authority, you are central officer, you are a EAC, it doesn't mean that your personal documents should be disclosed.
Sorry. And above that also, under the sections of 1923, it doesn't fall. So it doesn't fall under assumption. So because the commission in this party, so you know very well that in the official subject, so there are some things which come under the official secretary, like the top secretary or the reason for the country, or the bank statement or financial status of a new person. So it's only totally different from those like example which. But anyway, sir, you have common control, whatever the decision or you.
Uh, I'm not, frankly speaking, I'm not satisfied by the submission you have made to disclose critical information that this is a larger public place. So you cannot, I cannot
And furthermore, you as still under the which you also is I'm the chairman of the state for the district of Lower Devangadi. So we have the right to know whether any indigenous person has really obtained ST certificates legally or
see that is a matter of thought. If somebody is declared ST or not just declared, I'm here to only you are seeking information. I'm just here to whether that information has to be provided on.
also sir,
That is the only.
sir, also it's the public in case any information which outweighs the personal information.
That
The
is
interest
what-
of the
what is
here. In this regard, the deputy seems to be is being outweighed by the public interest. So therefore, it must be delivered.
That is
That's what I can read. You want.
ठीक है fine.
There are two cases. Another is
It comes in. If you are not satisfied by the order of this, yeah, very much. You can go to the higher court.
Yeah, yeah.
You have to. I cannot give you permission to get this information.
So, if you don't mind, if you don't mind, no certain example. There's a person who have obtained a ST certificate in PRC or is a journal man that receive all of this through RTI. So I have seen in the social media as well. You have this rules. So if the information, the ST or the ST certificate or the same can be issued, furnished by the PIO to that particular person, then why not to me? That's a big question.
I don't know who has this.
This is commentary here. You belong from Tezu, I don't know. So you don't be knowing that very well.
So we are not here to.
So just an example I'm citing.
You are
And
very.
sir,
You are a very
hope that
non RTA activist, and you see, as a commission, we also expect that citizens should uh, seek information which is that is very useful for common interest. And like you as a senior activist, citizens are following you. So you are an example to those young people because nowadays we are witnessing so many young activists are coming, and we could just assume that many are not doing either. Right. It's a good track record or with good intention.
yes.
And especially seniors, if you follow the same good one, if you are doing for the good and cause, especially if it's an activist of the RTI, then in the good intention, then it is always good for the state also. So when you are a very socially followed in and so I mean social media, you have good followers and so many people see you as a inspiration. So I hope that we as a commission also we hope that you do for the good and we won't expect you just frivolous uh, RTA applications which will hamper which will just give a bad image to you uh, the seniors like you. So so just that is apart from the case and
Last but not least, I would like to just give a bit emphasis on the issue, like the PIO. Yeah, and here certainly he will be that it all from section 8 but procedure. Here the procedure has been not followed by the PIO. Some certain have applied for the certificate for a date, that is a decent. But they have not issued me any someone any notice or hearing.
that is
Even that's just where so that's why I have written a complaint for when I filed for the second appeal. So I would like to pray your honor to just make the first appeal of all the department to conduct the first hearing, first hearing, so that we can have no problem in appealing to the second. Second, any department they are not following the rules of the RTI.
yes in many cases the same thing is happening and without coming to the proper system
Yes.
they are coming directly to the commission. So in this regard we have already we are giving awareness then so many cases which are coming without the proper hearing in the past appellate, we are remaining back those cases. But specific to your case, we have an order from the which order passed by the first appellate. Yes,
I'm
we
not
are good.
so it's not
Look, this is the application filed by you only, and the documents have been submitted by you only.
it's a conflict, sir.
No, it's not.
There is a, I think there is a NAMS.
Yeah, this is Namsai.
I'm saying
No, this is Teju case.
Teju was also hearing also first year.
She Namsai will na.
Yes, sir. They have followed the procedure. And they have given me the order also.
Okay.
Online.
Okay, this is Namsai na.
NAMSA, they have
This is
followed the
Namsai.
procedure. I'm talking about this, Your Honor, with this is.
दोनों है क्या?
ये part से save करना, इसका part.
अच्छा फर्स्ट Teju का. ये So they have rejected. Means they have dismissed the case. So I am going on the same ground only. So
Only I can play about that. For the RTI, see, the court should have given in favor of me, but I cannot force the court.
if there is a
Rather,
you can go further, but if there is any uh, order from the higher court, then
okay,
hearings will be bound to issue.
okay, sir.
So now, in this case, ठीक है, order will make an order. जेडी वाला को नहीं है ना?
Please, no. I'm serious with you.
PO is absent. Then yes, made by the appellant seeking information in the extant RTI application is third party further information. The first appellate in BC logit has passed an order dated 16 December 2024 stating that the said document sought falls under the purview of the printed category under section 8(1)(j) and RTA Act 2005. The Commission has no hesitation in holding that the information sought qualifies to be the personal information as defined in clause J of section 8(1) of RTI Act, and the appellant has not been able to convince the Commission that the disclosure thereof is in the larger public interest. Details of STBRC which sought by the appellant are of personal information which stands exempted disclosure. The instant case has not made a bona fide public interest in seeking information. Disclosure of information would cause unwarranted invasion of privacy of the individual under Section 8(1)(j of RTA. Therefore, the Commission is of the view that the appellant has not succeeded in establishing that the information sought for is of the larger public interest. That being the take of the case, I am not inclined to entertain this appeal case. Having examined the reports, the Commission is satisfied with the decision of the first appellate authority. The appeal case is accordingly disposed of with no further direction. See, one more case is there. It's the same case.
But you postpone situation.
Appeal number 6, objection number 2020. Very partial N, Column, Column, versus PIO Bank, Deputy Commissioner, Translate, online language.
This is the same case. If Your Honor, yes, but they have all the feeling because it was given for law.
Yes,
Yes. So I would once again reiterate Your Honor to furnish the justice certificate which I have sought for the deputy CM of Andhra Pradesh as the RTI Act 2005 itself says that if any information subject matter can be discussed in the parliament and in the assembly, that information or that issue cannot be denied to the public. It has been clearly stated in the RTI of 2005. So I would once again request Your Honor to consider my case and furnish which I have said.
I will make the same order. Okay, because this is same related. Yeah.
Once again, in this case, I am requesting that all even if you are subject, you are still breaking over or pounding over. Right?
This is then you have already stated that especially in this case they have followed more
Yeah,
said
they have
procedure than
more.
that
They have
this one. So I think this also the first appellate authority has done their duty, and I'm going to uphold their decision only. So any PIO ma'am, anything you want to say?
Are
Anything you want to say before the commission? आवाज नहीं जा रहा है?
clear नहीं है
Same
sir.
thing is
Yes. Madam, you want to say anything regarding this case? I have seen your this uh, order also. I've gone through.
No sir, we
No,
don't
so
have
we don't
anything.
have
जो
anything.
हमने first
Yeah,
appellate
so
में बोला वही sir I would like to
like
repeat sir.
Okay. I have seen your order already. It is there, and they have complied with section 11 as well. In this case. Yeah. So I'm going to make the same order. Um, so going to the case before both the parties will be controlled. If the VC there is present for VC.
The lastly, I would like to interrupt you. Lastly, I am requesting your honor to rethink the founder upon you. Why? Because the history of it's a CM or a deputy CM of one is a larger public of interest. Then how come we will any naturally people will know whether any ST or any person has been cleaned legally or illegally? One big question. So through only RTO we can find, we can seek out really it has been genuinely legal issue or not. So how come we will come to know whether any person has obtained ST? Because STs are only reserved for the indigenous tribe of Arunachal Pradesh. So there are lots of conflicts nowadays. So an act also has been enacted by the government of Arunachal Pradesh
See,
regarding this.
what you are complaining uh, is related to uh, some investigative related cases. You want to if that illegality matter comes, then that is a part of investigation, and that is a matter of police. So now my duty is only to provide you information. Whether that information is uh, to be provided or not, that has to be according to the provision. So now, I want to.
Sir, yeah, also in the provision, it's also has been written that if the public interest outweighs, here public interest outweighs the personal interest.
See,
Because the deputy CM is
I don't
holding a public office.
I don't understand his personal documents will outweigh public interest. I don't know.
Okay, thanks.
Hmm.
You guys, sir, take my can I take
Okay.
my
Oh yes.
Thank you, sir.
Going to the case report. The order has been passed by the first appellate authority from DC Namsai, dated 18 February 2025. And it stated that it stated its order that information requested by the applicant falls under 81J of the RTA Act 2005. PIO, in the case before the Khas Appellate Authority, has submitted that the said information falls under Section 81J of the RTA and cannot be furnished. Section 81J of RTA and cannot be furnished. Further submitted that the PAO had received a letter from Aditya Man, son of Chandaman, stating that his family members do not intend to give their personal information. The First Appellate Authorities has upheld the decision given by the PAO. PAO and the appellant has made their submission. Submission is of the view that the information sought by the appellant falls under the exempted clause in the Section 81J. Decision given by the First Authority. Decision is of the view that appellant has not succeeded in establishing that the information sought for is the larger public interest. The case is disposal and also. You can get the copy of the order if you need. If you need, okay. Yes, you'll get tomorrow. Yes. Yes. Tomorrow, day after tomorrow, you'll get. Okay, okay. Okay. Thank you all.
Serial number 7.
Okay, Alfonso.
284, 225. Students read Bolo Hadin and Bolo Hadin. But this CIO come executive engineer Department of PWD, Naharlagan Division, District Pakistan.
बोलो बोलो इंजीनियर की नाम बता इसका क्या कर रहे हैं
पीआईओ भी ऑनलाइन में है
Yes, sir.
और
Yes, sir.
फिलन यू आर पीआईओ
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
नहीं है ना
Good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, sir.
वह क्या केस है इसमें कुछ
सर
Sir,
इसमें
इसमें
डॉक्यूमेंट सबमिट
डॉक्यूमेंट
नहीं किया
सबमिट
क्या?
नहीं किया है क्या?
वो है सर।
वो है।
नहीं आप लोग की तरफ से डॉक्यूमेंट नहीं दिया क्या
सर उसको हम
सर, उसको हम
कांटेक्ट किया था, इसके बाद
कॉन्टेक्ट इसके बाद
एक महीना के बाद
एक
फिर
महीना
से
के बाद
कांटेक्ट
फिर
करने
से
मिला है,
कॉन्टेक्ट करने
तब
मिला है तब
कांटेक्ट को उसका नहीं
कॉन्टेक्ट को
जा रहा
उसका
था।
नहीं
हम
जा
लोग
रहा
के
था।
पास
हम लोग के
डॉक्यूमेंट
पास
ऑलरेडी
डॉक्यूमेंट
रेडी है
ऑलरेडी
सर।
रेडी है।
ठीक है
जी सर।
evidence is absent PIO is present through VC PIO stated before the commission today that have tried to contact with the appellant, but नहीं हुआ है उससे ना appellant से contact हुआ क्या
सर कांटेक्ट
सर, कॉन्टेक्ट
लास्ट
लास्ट
पूर्ण ब्लैक के एक बार कांटेक्ट
एक
किया
बार
था सर,
कॉन्टेक्ट किया
उसका
सर।
पूर्ण
उसका
नॉट रिचेबल हुआ था।
नहीं बातचीत हुआ है
बातचीत सर
बातचीत सर
अभी नहीं हुआ है।
अभी नहीं हुआ है।
हम फिर आज
फिर आज
बात करेगा बोल के रुका हुआ है सर, तो
तो
उसको बोल के हम एक बार बात कर लेंगे सर। डॉक्यूमेंट ऑलरेडी रेडी सर, तो वो दोबारा मांग रहा है तो हम उसको दे देगा, यहाँ से ऑफिस से दे देगा सर।
your contact with the then contact with the event and the documents are ready to be furnished. Student is directed to contact the PAO and collect the information. Student is also directed to intimate the commission for getting the collecting the sort information. If the applicant doesn't intimate the commission after getting the information, commission will presume that the applicant has collected and is satisfied with the information. So let the data.
November 2025. हेलो सर, नहीं दिया।
जी सर, यस सर।
सर 10th मेरे को होगा आपका नेक्स्ट डे 10:30 AM.
यस सर,
Yes, sir.
यस मैम।
Yes, sir.
रुको रुको, हो गया।
Clear number 8, exception number 320, 2022. Friend Shitty, Roma, Sara, person clear from Executive Engineer, Department of RWD,
कितना
District, Washington.
तो इन्फॉर्मेशन क्या एक भी नहीं दिया
कुछ नहीं है। आप जाके ऑफिस में
एड्रेस सही है नहीं ये तो आप सर्कुलर तो किया ही नहीं 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 ये लास्ट वाला नहीं हम चाहिए तो आ ही गया समझ लेके आएगा अदरवाइज तो इसमें आप कवरिंग लेटर बनाए एक कॉपी दे दो कवरिंग लेटर का पहले निकले हैं ये वन का प्लस कंडीशन क्या क्या view of the details as per NLT ठीक है आपका एप्लीकेशन के हिसाब से सब इंफॉर्मेशन आपको दे रहा है आप एक हफ्ता के अंदर में इंटीमेट करो नहीं तो हम ये केस को क्लोज कर देंगे ठीक है both the parties they are also represented by information what has been brought before the commission and handed over to the applicant covering letter of the information is submitted before the commission as per the letter all the documents are sought is being shown first. Applicant is directed to go through the document and estimate to this commission for आपको भी रखा before 10 9 no, before 16 9 if no intimation is made the commission will presume that the applicant is satisfied by the information provided and accordingly the case will be decided. ठीक है जेल में वो जब उसके बाद इंफॉर्मेशन देने से ये अभी तक स्वास्थ्य वो क्या ना होता कौन सा केस करिए बिला वाला
गुड आफ्टरनून ऑनरेबल।
हाँ, क्या आप लेट हो गया?
हमारा लिंक नहीं मिल रहा था सर ना, थोड़ा सा लिंकिंग का प्रॉब्लम हो गया।
हम लोग भेज देते ना, बता दो आप कुछ बोलना चाहते हैं। डॉक्यूमेंट्स
हमारा सर आज फर्स्ट एंड सेकंड,
फर्स्ट
नंबर
एंड
1 और
सेकेंड।
नंबर 2। हाँ,
ओके,
इसमें दकिया से गॉन टू द फर्स्ट एप्लीकेंट, वहां से डॉक्यूमेंट कलेक्ट करने के लिए एप्लीकेंट को बोला था सर, एप्लीकेंट को, तो उन्होंने ये डॉक्यूमेंट्स कलेक्ट कर दिया हुआ है सर।
डॉक्यूमेंट्स कलेक्ट कर लिया ना, कर लिया होगा।
उन्होंने कर लिया हुआ है।
डॉक्यूमेंट्स कर लिया, डॉक्यूमेंट्स कलेक्ट कर लिया।
हाँ सर, फर्स्ट एपेलेंट का पास में केस गया था, तो फर्स्ट एपेलेंट ने डिसाइड है कि भाई आप डॉक्यूमेंट को पीआई ऑफिस से कलेक्ट कर लो, भूमदिला से। उन्होंने कलेक्ट कर दिया और विद इन 15 डेज फर्स्ट एपेलेंट को बता दो, अदरवाइज कुछ भी आपका प्लस माइनस है, इफ यू नीड एनी क्लैरिफिकेशन बता दो। तो आज तक तो कुछ भी नहीं हुआ है। मोर ओवर दैट एप्लीकेंट, उन्होंने इंफॉर्मेशन पूरा कलेक्ट कर लिया हुआ है सर।
तो फिर यहाँ तो कुछ है ही नहीं, कलेक्ट नहीं किया बोल के तो वो लोग यहाँ केस अपील करके यहाँ दिया हुआ है ना।
ये हमारा पास में प्रूफ है सर। ये नहीं पीछे वाला
कलेक्ट कर लिया तो कुछ है क्या प्रूफ?
ये सर देखिए सर, रिसीट वाला देखिए सर, इसमें है हमारा पास में।
डॉक्यूमेंट्स कवर किया बोल के कुछ प्रूफ है?
नाम लिखिए, मोबाइल नंबर कॉन्टेक्ट नहीं, कोई सी बात तो नहीं है। फर्स्ट एप्लीकेंट अथॉरिटी को हमें ले ना।
इन्फॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट किया है क्या, नहीं किया, कुछ रिकॉर्ड है?
इंफॉर्मेशन कलेक्ट किया गया सर, देखिए हमारे पास में ये है, कॉपी टू यू आल्सो सर, ये पूरा रिसीट है सर।
वो तो विनीत प्रूफ ना कि वहाँ उसने कलेक्शन किया है।
हाँ,
आपका ऑर्डर भी
इसको
देखा है।
कलेक्शन सर, इसको कलेक्शन किया है फर्स्ट एप्लीकेंट अथॉरिटी का ऑफिस से सर। ये हैंडेड ओवर हिम ऑल द डॉक्यूमेंट्स। फर्स्ट एप्लीकेंट अथॉरिटी ने डिसीजन लिया कि आप 15 डेज तक स्टडी करके बता दीजिए, अदरवाइज द केस विल बी प्रेजेंट टू बी क्लोज।
इंफॉर्मेशन आपके पास में अभी है?
यस सर।
यू हैव द इंफॉर्मेशन नाउ
हाँ,
विथ यू?
information of the source in our office record. One copy has been taken by him personally. We have got an acknowledgement also, sir. His signature that he has received.
See, this is the problem when related to documents.
Sir,
If you could have been present here, then we could have gone through it.
this was personally handed over to him, sir. That's why he has signed it, sir.
When was the document handed over? कब document उनको दिया है applicant को?
सर, appellant ने 3/3/2025 को लिया है, सर।
3/3/2025 को?
हाँ सर,
Right.
उसमें फिर ये भी डिसाइड हुआ कि सर इन केस इफ ही फाइंड्स कि एनी इंफॉर्मेशन इज लैकिंग और इफ ही डिसाइड्स एनीथिंग he can approach PI office regular with regard to this case, but he has never appealed.
ये कब किया है ये कब कमीशन में कब आया ये 14 फरवरी 2025 को यहाँ कमीशन में आया केस
14 February 2022, sir.
25
Sir,
ये केस 25 को 2025 फरवरी को दिया
हाँ सर, 3/3/2025 को ले लिया उन्होंने ना सर.
मार्च को लिया है और ये तो फरवरी को आया
आपका सर ऑफिस में
मार्च को दिया ना
केस किया होगा. हाँ सर,
document has been collected document collected by applicant ये कौन सा डेट है मार्च का
हाँ सर, 3/3/2025.
ओके
इनका तो सर ऐसा है सर, बहुत सारे क्वेश्चन है सर. अब देखो सर्वेलेंस कंफ्यूज है, कौन सा चीज का क्या है ना सर. सेम serial number 2 also it's the same complainant sir. क्वेश्चन का भी हमारा सेम कंप्लेंट था सर. अगर कुछ क्लैरिफिकेशन है तो you can approach our office sir, we are ready to give.
you give me that this one जो उसने कलेक्ट किया वाला ना रिसीप्ट
इसका कॉपी to your office also to register अभी डिप्टी रजिस्टर अरुणाचल प्रदेश.
नहीं we have not received डॉक्यूमेंट्स उसका रिसीप्ट किया वाला कलेक्ट किया वाला नहीं है मेरा पास you don't have
अच्छा सर, वो आपके पास में नहीं होगा बस हम लोग के जो उनको फर्निश करने के लिए लेटर लिखा हुआ है सर, हम लोग का जो ऑफिस कॉपी में उन्होंने किया है तो सर, और सेम इंफॉर्मेशन भी है गिवन टू योर कमीशन ऑल्सो,
we have not
इसलिए
received
नहीं होगा. इसको सर अगर हम जो इसका एक्नॉलेजमेंट नॉलेज वी कैन सेंड इट टू यू सर.
ठीक है एक डेट दे देगा please bring the documents if you have already given to the applicant the receipt copy in the next hearing ये दोनों केस सेम है ना
सर अब आप लोग का नेक्स्ट डेट फिर फिक्स किया है 10/11/2025 at 10:30 AM.
वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स यू प्लीज सेंड द डॉक्यूमेंट्स क्या क्या आपने भेजा है ना क्या क्या उसको दिया है फर्निश किया वाला कवरिंग लेटर ना एंड द रिसीप्ट कॉपी व्हिच यू हैव हैंडेड ओवर टू द applicant अभी तो नहीं कर पाएगा ना ऐसे में पता नहीं चलता
जैसे उसमें देखते हैं
appellant आया है क्या ना, otherwise sir appellant has approached your office sir.
you please bring the receipt copy of that information which you have handed over to the applicant in the next hearing
Right sir, होगा सर.
वो
सर serial number 4 sir,
serial number
4.
that is disposed that case is disposed
Okay sir, thank you sir.
ठीक है दोनों को भेज दो डेट बता दो
सर अब नेक्स्ट डेट ओके हेयरिंग को सुनाई दिया 10/11/2025 at 10:30 AM.
होगा सर, ठीक है सर. ठीक
नेक्स्ट वो डॉक्यूमेंट्स जो दिया ला ना वो रिसीप्ट कॉपी लेके आने बोल दो
हाँ, उसका फोटो स्टेट हम लोग लेकर आएंगे, ऑनरेबल सर को बता दीजिए, उसका एक फोटो स्टेट भेज देंगे हम लोग,
ओके
भेज देंगे। हाँ, वो तो व्हाट्सएप पे भी आ जाता है, हम लोग का WT भी आ जाता है।